third video. So let's see what happens. MMTA style. Let's go. Long shot. Whoa. He didn't hit anything. And look at this, folks. Look at it. Destroyed. No rear tires. No rear tires. The tires in the rear are done.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Oh, really?
They are all fixed.
What?
Now you're ready to go.
We need a new truck. Is he gonna go again?
Yes!
What? I don't know about this one. This may be a mistake. Let's see. This may be a mistake. He doesn't have enough power. Kitties and Willies, he has to go. He has to go back to the garage or in the trash.
But he wants to stay.
Throw him in the trash. Throw him in the trash. Throw
No!
him in the trash. Yeah. Oh! Wow.